In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. First of all, you need to launch it and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes to pick a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings, and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and click on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!